Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. I finally got my hands on this baby right here, the new Jeffree Star Alien palette, and y'all, let me tell you, this palette is seriously amazing. I do have a little mini review at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned to that. But this wouldn't be a full Jeffree Star video if I didn't use the rest of his products. So his highlighter is on my face, and I have his liquid lipstick. Everything that I use on my face today will be in the description box down below. But let me stop rambling and let's get on to the makeup tutorial. Alright guys, so I'm sure you guys seen it all over the internet. If you guys don't already, I love Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I was super freaking excited when he announced his new Alien palette. So here is the Alien palette. This is the unicorn that it comes in. I've already kind of taken a peek inside, but this is what the palette looks like. And then of course in the back, I really love how it has like the little rocket ship. And if you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but they have the 3D eyes. All right, so here is the inside of the palette. All right guys, so I'm just gonna prime my lids, and then we're just gonna start with this tutorial. So I'm gonna start with the crease. So we're gonna go with Gravity, which is this shade right here. And I'm just using a Morphe little blending brush. And then we're just gonna throw this color right into the crease. All right, so my next shade that I'm gonna go ahead and get into is Martian Soil. And then this color right here, I'm just gonna do this right into the crease. And then once you have that, we just go ahead and blend everything out. Alrighty, so basically you're gonna have this. So once you get all those two colors blended in together, we can go ahead and go to the next step. So next color, I'm gonna go with X-Styles right here. It's that kind of like a gray taupey brown color. I'm gonna go right into that outer V area. And then we're gonna go back in with our blending brush and then just kind of seamlessly blend this stuff away. Going to add this Teint color. It's like a really like bony color, and then I'm probably going to highlight my inner corners with Pluto. So basically on the top of the eye, we're keeping this very neutral. Like I said, I wanted to do to be the star of the show is to be the lower lash line, and then it's just like bam, pop. So this part is going to be the top of the eye is going to be super duper easy, and honestly this could be a very easily everyday look. So these pops of colors can be a little bit imitated, but I promise you can make it work, especially with the purple. Like you could just do like a little bit onto the lower lash line, have a very neutral look on top, and just have a little bit of pop of color. If you want to go crazy, you can just use, you know, this pretty green color all over the lid. Literally the amount of possibilities that you can do with this palette is literally insane. All right, so we have our brow bone color on, and I'm going to hop off camera real quick to finish my base, and then we will come back to do the lower lash line. Alright guys, so I finished the rest of my face besides liner and mascara. So we're gonna go ahead and do the bottom portion of the lash line, which I'm super excited about. Okay, so this is gonna be the fun part. I always think that like the bottom lash line, especially if you don't want too much going on the top, I feel like the bottom lash line is a part when you can be a little bit creative and really add like pop of color, a little bit of sparkle and shine. So here we go. Anytime I do my lower lash line, of course I do transition color, kind of like the same with the top. So I'm gonna go back in with Gravity. And I'm gonna put it all the way through. And I'm gonna kind of like flick it out. So pretty much you can stop right here. You can go ahead and put some like mascara on, liner, whatever you want to do, some liner in the in the waterline, add some mascara onto the bottom lashes, if you wanted to keep this a neutral look. But you know me, I always love to play with color and add some sparkle and shine. So we're gonna go into that mustardy color Martian soil. So I'm just gonna dab in just a little bit. And pretty much I'm gonna start from the middle and to the out. I'm also gonna flick it out. So I'm gonna go in with Flying Saucer, and I'm just gonna keep it right here on the outer. I'm gonna try to keep it as close to the lash line I can, and then I'm going to add the pop of color. I'm gonna add Alien right into here, so you're just gonna have like this just like bam of color. And I'm just building up this color. And then all we're gonna do is blend it out so it looks seamlessly to our face. And then of course, I'm just gonna kind of slowly flick that color out. So it kind of just like blends with the outer colors we have on top of our lid. So I'm gonna actually go in with the Alien. Of course, we have to use the Alien color because we're using the Alien palette. So it's this really green, like metallic-y color right there. Okay, and then like I said, I'm gonna go right in here. To go in with that Martian soil, and I'm actually gonna go right underneath it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add some highlighter, and of course this wouldn't be a Jeffree Star video if I didn't use his highlighter palettes. And so I'm gonna go in with the 24 karat Skin Frost Pro palette. Honestly, this is a great palette to travel with, especially because you get a ton of color. I'm gonna use this shade right here. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's just this really goldeny yellow shade. But I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Sarcophagus, maybe King Tut. We'll see. And I might do a little bit of this yellowy gold shade. And y'all, his highlighters do not play. Like, y'all see that glow? I know y'all see it, but it's like bam. I always love to add highlighter right above the pointy part of my eyebrow. It's just that it gives it just this glow, and it's just like when you kind of do this, you kind of get that sheen. You don't have to necessarily do that, but that's just one of the things I really enjoy doing. I'm gonna put a little bit of this shade right here, just a little bit. Kind of want to give it that like goldeny shift to it, since we are we have a lot of yellows and the greens going on, and I feel like it'd be really cool to add just a little bit of this yellowy shade. So I know that kind of this in a choppy way, but I kind of want you guys to see everything kind of pull together, so you can kind of see the look pull together. I know sometimes, like, you know, it's like you're starting gradually, and it's like at first it's like you're looking crazy, like, you know, you don't have eyebrows on, or like you don't have lashes on, or liner. You're just like, whoa, like I don't know if this is gonna look right, but trust me, when everything comes on my face, it's gonna look wonderful. So I'll be right back. What do you guys think? So I had so much fun creating this look. Like, I am feeling all of the greens, like, y'all. If you haven't gotten this palette already, I highly recommend you getting it. I know it's out of stock right now, but I will have everything that I use on my face in the description below, and I'll also have this linked to I know Jeffree Star has his palettes on his website, Beautylish, and I think BeautyBay or something like that. I'll link those all down below, so once they are in stock, you can go ahead and pick one up. Alright guys, so just a little quick mini review. So pretty much everything worked together, everything blended together. I really have no really negative comments to say on it. I mean, aesthetically it is super freaking adorable. Like, I love it. If you guys don't know already, Jeffree Star is vegan and cruelty free, so the actual is like full leather. It feels so luxurious. Like, I love it. And the only thing I would have to say is that Gravity, if you're really picky on like kickback and stuff like that, that's probably the only shade that gave me a little bit of kickback. But other than that, that really doesn't matter to me. I mean, it performed beautifully on the eye. I mean, it packed a punch. I mean, it went right where I wanted it to go. So, but that's pretty much all I have to say about the palette itself. But that is it for this one, guys. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.